Hey everybody, we are super excited here. We finally hit 1,000 subscribers and we definitely could not have done it without you. On the bottom of my heart, from the bottom of my heart, and on behalf of everybody here on Master Your Glass and all the people that help with this show, we really want to thank you for your amazing support. 1,000 subscribers might not sound like a lot, but if you've done it before, you know how hard it is. And to us, reaching 1,000 subscribers means that you are supporting us and that you are interested in our content. So we will keep on bringing that content to you. More exciting news, we just launched a really cool website, masteryourglass.com. I feel like it's a really cool website, and it's offers something that most others will not, because not only do you get recipes, but you also get a little spider web thingy with the flavor profile of that cocktail in case you just can't imagine what the combination of those flavors would be. You can also click and get a little 40 to 1 minute video on how every cocktail is made rather than having to watch a 12-minute YouTube video. We are really pumped up. Please do comment below, tell us more of what you would like from us, and we will work so hard to bring it to you, because it's really thanks to you that we are all here for. We will see you on the next video, and I will just cheers you, and thanks for watching Master Your Glass. Salute.